everybody, welcome to our channel Kidz Play and Learn. Today this video will have a giant modern kitchen. Oh yeah, first time having this. It's gonna be awesome. So come on, let's open it and build it with me. Come on, it's open. And this is my brother Kidz. Say hi. Hi. Okay, let's start. Oh shit. Whoa. So what are these? Oh my god. Oh my G, oh my G, oh G, oh G, oh G, oh G, oh G, oh G. This is too heavy, bro. Bro, it's too heavy. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What are these? What is Oh, exactly. So let's build it together, okay? Build it with us, okay? Build it with us.
Wow, look at that.
Okay?
Sure.
Build it with us. Now, like that. Are you
Isn't
ready?
it nice, Mom?
Yeah.
No. Mommy, the one recording. Ha.
Funny.
Oh, what are these? Oh, these are the like this. Come on, people, let's go build it with
More.
us.
One more, Mom.
Okay, there's stickers. Oh, gee. Okay, there's instructions here. Oh, there's instructions. There's instructions. I think here. Can you
Look at that.
can it
Modern
go?
kitchen.
Ha!
I hope it's modern.
Okay, people, let's.
Here, here.
Okay, people, let's.
Here's the instruction, Mom.
Like that. Okay. Okay, let's do it this one. Let's do this one. Oh, look, this one. Oh! Now I get it. Now I get it.
Where are they?
Guys, where does this snake go? Everything is proper place, Papa. Put in the proper place. Here, the proper place.
Where's the egg? That's it. It's not
Here,
broken.
here.
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright,
Come
guys.
here. Ah.
Ta-da! We are done with our kitchen.
Come here. Okay.
We are
Stay
done with
like
our
that.
our kitchen. Yay! Okay, guys, let's have a tour. Yummy.
Okay, let's have a-
This is the sink. Look, get it. Sorry. This is the tour. Sorry guys, we just passed. This is our tour. Okay, this is the frying pan. This is the stove. As you can see, the stove is under this. The thing is the pot. We don't find this one. I don't get it, guys. I don't get it. But anyway, that's the problem today. Then we are having a tour. And this one, this is where we put this one. Diba guys? This is the same. And this is the spoon where we have to put. So we put this eraser, guys. Wait lang. Give me this one. We put the eraser there. Now I get it. And also chalk here. So the chalk is here. Look, so the chalk is here, guys. Like, guys, look, this is the chalk. This is the chalk. The chalk is here. This is the chalk. Okay, this is the chalk. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the show. Please remember to subscribe. Click the bell button. If you don't click the bell button, you will be updated for more videos. Okay, and also click the thumbs up button so you will like this video, guys. So okay, guys, bye and enjoy this video. Oh, no.